see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I always wanna feel like this, but at some point we messed up. Right, sugar.
Kailangan ko pala ng oil.
And when we fight, no one wants to stop. And as time goes by, I want.
Hi guys, today is the 23rd of January and we're going to the beach. My mom's not coming because she's busy and hi. And that's Holly. You wanna vlog? I'm wearing my whitey right now and we're going surfing.
Wait, are we going to bring our surfboards?
Yeah.
I'm getting mine.
You're having your boogie board. Yeah, bye.
Bye. You got an onion?
Yeah?
Alright, an onion.
Because he just wants to finish
There's
the
one
day
there, isn't
work.
it?
Not you,
No.
Not you. Hi guys. Today we're making bolognese spaghetti for Daddy because he's hungry and we already have some. We didn't have some before, but now Dad bought some and yes, some potato sauce for the bolognese. And what do we have to use?
Well, we need.
Daddy's gonna cook, but hey, I need a spoon.
Do that, and then I've got to cook the. So I might as well just do it in this one. Do the mince in this one, then I can chip it into that one.
What?
That's pretty big. Oh,
It's alright for your pasta. Why don't you boil your
Well, this
pasta
one.
first?
pardon?
Why don't you boil
I'll
your
make the
pasta?
sauce in that one with the mince
Okay.
and all that.
Yeah, and then the pasta there. What do you need, Papa? I'm not gonna go in.
Because I can't reach.
Huh?
I need a straw because I can't.
Where's? It's in it's in Daddy.
Where?
No, it's in the guest room. No, babe.
What?
You have to pull the water first.
Oh, what? No.
No, yes, it's markers.
We don't have Johnny time.
What's that?
Bro,
Oh, what's he doing?
he's in a gang.
What's wrong?
They're in a gang and we can't even play.
Why?
Because of my hair.
How come?
You already failed, babe.
Why?
Because you're gonna cook the pasta with
I
water.
was just going to put it all in there.
No. You have
Don't
to
matter.
you have to boil water first and you have to put lots of salt.
Is that going to be enough? I know to put salt.
Yeah, it will be enough.
So what, fit all that in?
Yeah. I said you know how to cook.
Yeah, I know. Making double batch. I'm going to do the other one as well.
You have to put that one at the back bag. No, the other one your left side. Yep.
That's only a small one.
It's alright.
Okay, sugar, don't fall down. Isn't there salt over here?
Yep.
So, sugar. Well, put this one here, reckon.
Yep.
Not real much on there.
That's why
That's why I should do this one.
it's not working that one.
Oh, we need to do it.
So welcome to my world, babe. Baba, alisin mo. Remove your hand because that's gonna be hot.
It's only going to be hot on one side.
Yeah.
There it won't. Just sort of.
You have to chop your onions.
Yeah, we'll get taking things up.
No, you have to chop it while waiting.
Where's the onions? Onions, sugars.
They're on the side, Baba. In that plastic, Baba.
Have you got chopped block?
Help Daddy to find the chopping board, Baba.
I'll just do it.
Not that one, Baba. The green one.
Right.
Chop, Bubs.
Hey, move!
Who wants to do this? Who wants to do this? Oh, right. Start, there we go. Half
I know how to chop. I got mine on a little bed knife. So I
Yeah, sugar.
I want to find it. That would be too long.
Are you gonna use garlic pep or just onion?
Oh, might need a bit of oregano.
A what?
A bit of oregano.
Oreganda?
Yeah,
What's oregano?
yeah.
Oregano.
That's what it's called.
Oreganda?
Mm.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that one, Bub. Lift that one, tie that one right down.
Oregano pala yun. I thought oregano.
Oh, start getting in the eyes. Make it too close, darling.
I know my dad's just taking all the stuff out of the like these stuff.
Oh.
Tell them where you went today.
Oh, we went at the beach and then we went to Brooke's house to slip and slide and we went on a castle to his slide was falling.
Have you got a beef stock?
Yes.
Or one of them
Sorry.
clothes?
Well, I need people to help. Sugar. Where's Brooke?
We'll show you in the eyes, dog, and start crying.
Okay, my dad's just chopping them, and I have to be careful of my eye because when we were doing Chona's kitchen, Mom was cutting that the onion and then it get on Mom's eye, and I had bawang on my eye, and it hurt.
That's not bawang.
No, and
Cebu. That's sibuyas, Baba.
Mom, I mean in when we like cooking. Oh, I have to smell that.
Haven't you got a machine that does this, babe?
Huh?
Haven't you got a machine that does this?
Machine? There's no machine.
Or an excellent top spot, Bubba. Huh?
I think it's gonna taste like sibuyas. Actually, I think it's gonna taste like sibuyas. The only time is like 5 o'clock.
That'll be enough. That'll be enough, won't it?
I got some on my eye.
That's going to take the longest to boil them.
No, it's not. Put the lid, babe.
What lid?
For the water.
Could I put that on?
Where's the lid?
On the second row.
And the second and I don't know which one.
Yep, that one. Oh no, not that one. That's too big. The other one.
Yeah, sure.
Gosh.
That's... Right.
What do we do now?
Right.
And I'll just sit on the table.
You have to rub the onions, son.
Huh?
The half onion, you have to rub in the cling wrap.
What?
You do that.
Do I do it?
Get the cling wrap and wrap the onion.
And I'm just doing this.
Tomato paste.
Somewhere there.
Where?
Mm.
Dad, I'm just gonna do this. Why do I do this?
He's not in the bush. He's not in the bush. He has a bush. Wait,
Why not that? Put
do you
it.
have any arms?
It's up to you. It's your recipe.
No. And also,
I want to get down from that.
I've only got 7.
Do you need to make
I'm crying. I'm crying. I'm crying.
Careful, babe.
I'm crying. I got some in my eye. I need Daddy.
Holly, you might fall.
Right, you have to have a look at her eyes.
I just have to get.
Where's the garlic? Ah, what are you doing, Bob? You're making a mess. Oh, what do you expect when you stir it up?
Wait. Then it'll taste like tomato sauce. Is this what you use for like for the noodles? Okay.
I just need assistance for a minute.
You're already up now. What? Dad.
Right, can you come here for a second?
Why?
I just need to tip it up so I can get some juice out. Or I'll tip it up, you just scoop a bit of that juice out.
Yeah. Okay.
When I cook, I didn't ask
Wow.
how for you.
Wow.
Why are you gonna get the cheese?
Just a little bit.
It's
Too
all
much.
right.
No, tell me that good. That's it, tip it. There you go. One more.
Yeah, that's all
Yeah,
right.
alright, plenty there, done. I've got lots of more stuff coming yet.
What is this?
Hear me when I say let's make a night to remember. Let's celebrate from now till forever. This time we'll make a night to remind us we only have one life, gotta live it out loud. In another time, in another place, we
Where the past drain by.
There. Under the sea.
Yeah, this is not a learn. So funny. Wait, that had a knife. No, that was spaghetti. Yeah, that was spaghetti. I tried the spaghetti.
Ako gusto ko mag-ibo, ano?
I'll save that for us, put this in the freezer for us.
The change. Hear me when I say let's make a night to remember. Let's celebrate from now till.
Ayan ang mga in-order. Ayan ang pinahiling niya sa ko. I don't feel like eating guys.
Yeah, right. We're missing out.
You have to clean up as well.
It's not part of the deal.
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, it's done now. So this one goes to put handy. We have enough plates.
Yeah, I think so. Daddy got all
I
the
think where's that one? No, I don't think so. Cause that one. Oh, okay, I'm gonna eat this. Where's this one? Okay. Okay, where's my fork? Where's my fork? Where's my fork?
Wow.
There's my fork.
Alright boys, come on, taste it. See what you reckon?
Wow, first time ever.
What's Holly? First mouthful. Get some noodles and some mince, Bubby. And some mince.
Is it hot?
Should be that hot. Don't know.
Is it hot?
Well, my love.
Good. Is it? Which one's better, mommy or daddy?
Both of them.
Well done, Baba. Well done. Okay, kaya na kami guys. Si Jana nagluto.
There you go.
Mom, you have a try.
Well,
Don't step on my foot, bro.
put it in there. Pick it up, mate.
Yeah.
Wait, this one. Down.
You can cook.
You eat it.
Australian style.
Boys, come on, I want you to try my food. Jack.
Wait, bro, do not revive that, he said. He happened to say,
Nag-edit ako. Siyang nagluto. And busy kasi ako. Meron akong ginagawa.
Did you wash your hands?
Is that mine, babe?
What?
TJ.
You want one?
I don't have one.
Whoa.
Just, yeah. And then in the little bowl, babe. Just a little bowl here, please. Thank you.
That one.
Yes, please. Thank you.
didn't show that, bro. Now I got it.
Near all gone.
That one's dead.
Wow.
What do you reckon, Jack?
Thank you.
Need to go over and get the
Where's that fork?
Better than yours, Mom.
Oh, really?
Got some tomato sauce for
I
it?
don't know. Probably the same, I think.
The same?
Yeah.
Look, Holly got some sauce, mate.
Different.
Oh, sure, why not?
Want sauce, TJ?
Like yours? What's
Different.
tomato?
Yeah, mate.
Yes, please. Nah. Wait, I'm watching you on
Mate. Can't tell me that's pretty
bottom.
good.
Don't get his reboot. Don't get
It's
it.
nearly all gone.
Okay?
Really?
Yeah.
Come on.
Holly liked it.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Much there. And then you wanna cook everything. Like I said, put it all. Or else, si Kuya dito eh. Dito ako sa working place ko. What, hot?
I can have, yeah, I
Okay, it's pretty hot.
can have what?
You're right, I don't have food. Oi. You want to put the aircon?
Dito ako, guys.
Aircon, Dad?
Nah, just like that.
This one?
Probably last time you get flowing out. Oh, it's still late. That's better. TJ are out.
Yeah, me and Robert on fire. Rob, we have to go find people like hurry over to them because I don't have to. Come on, go to zone. There'll be people in zone. Where you go? Who's your Misis?
TJ, you don't let the food wait for you.
I went working hard in the kitchen, mate.
Come on, say goodbye
It's
now.
even cooler.
I know.
Yeah, I need to go. Mom, that's way closer than you.
Pardon?
That's Yeah. way closer than you.
Quicker than me.
Yeah. You take like half an hour to cook stuff. That only took like 15 minutes.
No, I don't think so.
I'm a bit worried.
Why?
It's a bit running. But when I put it in there, it's all gone.
Because you don't, I don't put beef stuff.
Yeah.
No, I don't. When I cook spaghetti.
You like it, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
It's different.
I made them.
Way different from Filipino style.
Be careful, Bobby. Just take it up here.
Hang on.
Get Holly on so close.
What is that drink on my cup?
What do you need, sir?
Just put it up here, bud. Okay. Shut the door, mate. Flies, come on.
Look, bro, come to me. Watch this. Watch this, bro.
I'm pretty fresh.
Very impressed. Well done, so now you can cook. Yeah. Daddy. Thank you, sir.
Well, yeah, you nearly had no tea. Wow, first time.
Yeah.
Like it.
If I didn't like it, I would like I don't want it.
I've got 60.
I think this is my third free box today.
Wait, bro, hang on. Wait for me.
Because I had two, now he has three.
With this IO guard team. Stop.
Where's the Hatters freezer? Oh, there it
How do you get the lot game so quick? Well, look, I'm getting shot at, bro. By an IO guard. See, I didn't want to see you again. Get the launch pad. Oh, you got my favorite gun. You got my favorite gun. I got my favorite. I'll give you an SMG for that. A good SMG.
So you go 2 days outside.
Oh, we can get shot at by a person.
that?
That's my food.
Good job, bro. You should put a tree. Did
Tyrone, that's enough, Tyrone.
he? Not finish this.
Don't give enough. That's enough.
Bro, I'm okay now. Can you just wait in the lobby for me? Alright. Alright. Oh, I'm gonna look at short one.
Where?
What spell is that?
XOI.
Do it.
Is this Harry's? Dad.
Not toilet. You don't toilet. WX Y and Z.
Now I know your ABC. Let's
What do you reckon?
what you
Give me a mix with it.
That should cook this as if we have it.
This one's better, mommy, or dad?
Dad.
Dad? Oh, that's good.
Beverages.
So Dad
You're only paying nice sugar.
only for this food.
Huh?
Only for this food. But I like the cake.
Okay.
Mom's jealous because I like Dad's food.
What?
What?
What? No. I'm better. Look how much I ate. Look how much I ate. Dad, look how much
Looks like
I
I've been sunburnt.
You are.
Why?
I am.
ate. I am. I'm somewhat. Look how my skin is getting dark. But when you're gonna work?
You? Sorry, we didn't see the you.
What's the busy? Kitchen.
I'm full.
It'll be a lovely old one.
Yeah, we need to go out and do quite broad again.
Don't say the nose, mate. You've got to fix the nose up and lock me.
I think Brock's still there. So,
Well, this is getting wet.
Hey, Zach. Zach, hey.
find his iPad. Find his iPad. Look, wearing the mic.
Make food. We haven't done rush to make food.
Oh, that one was a hot one.
What?
That was a hot, like hot.
Oh.
We ate fish and chips at the beach. At the,
Potato chips.
huh?
Yeah, chips.
Yeah, just chips.
Good on you.
I'm not hungry. What?
Not bad, is that?
Eat it all. You have to. Do you not? Dad, I need drink. Yeah.
Pay for your phone. I can pay it. Bye.
Well,
Wait, Dean always text you.
yeah.
What is that?
Well done, bud. Thank you.
Can you get me a Coke,
Okay.
please?
I was surprised myself there.
You surprise yourself that you
Yeah.
can cook.
Easy.
Coke, please. Because Mum told you.
What?
Mum told you.
What?
Hi guys, we're going to close the vlog. Thank you for Dad cooking our dinner. The spaghetti was so good. So please like, please subscribe. Have a see you on the next vlog. Mwah. Bye.
Please tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. I can still remember the first time